Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. This video is about the focus if it's not working on iPhone and iPad, and also share across devices grayed out on your iOS device. Today's video we are going to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. The first thing that we have to do, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that we have a strong internet connection with full signals. Then go back to settings, tap on your profile icon and tap sign out. Now put Apple ID password and tap turn off. After turning off, we have to wait for a couple of seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, then sign in back. The next thing that we have to do, we have to use the same Apple ID in all devices. The next thing that we have to do, go to settings, tap on general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Finally, what we have to do, go to settings, tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, now tap reset all settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. That's it. With these simple and easy steps, you can get rid of this issue and share across devices will working fine on your iOS devices. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.